The basic nomenclature for initial stability of a ship. The nomenclature for initial stability of a ship is a standard set of symbols and terms used to describe and explain of ship stability at small angle of heel. These terms identify key points: keel, center of buoyancy, center of gravity, metacentry, distance between them, and related forces so that stability can be calculated, analyzed, and clearly communicated during ship's design, loading, and operation.
The kb is the vertical distance along the ship's centerline between the keel and the center of buoyancy expressed as kb. Distance from the keel to center of buoyancy. Km is the distance from the keel and the metacenter. Stable floating object can have natural rolling frequency, just like a weight on a spring where the frequency is increased as the spring gets stiffer. BM, metacentric radius, the distance between the center of buoyancy and the metacentric. It is usually the radius of the circle of the movement of B. At small angles of keel, kg, the position of the center of the gravity. G is a measure vertically from the reference point, usually the keel and the vessel's key. The distance is called kg. The GM is the distance between G and M is known as metacentric height. GM are stable vessels when upright is said to have a positive metacentric height GM. When the metacentric M is found to be above the center of the gravity, G is usually referred to as having a positive GM or positive initial stability.
B. The center of buoyancy. Points where water's upward force act on the ship. K for understanding balance against weight. M. The metacenter. Imaginary points where buoyancy forces act when tilt helps define stability limits. G. The center of gravity. Points where the ship's total weight acts downward. Its position affects how easily the ship tilts. The angle of heel. The angle which the ship leans from upright, used to check stability at different tilts.
Explanation: the metacentric height or GM is a measure of a ship's initial stability. A higher GM value indicates better initial stability. So, metacentric height or GM, mauna siya ang distansya between sa ship's center of gravity o ang metacentric. Mauna siya ang pakita or mohatag kung unsa bagyod ka stable ang usa ka ship. Next is the initial stability. So initial stability is the resistance of a ship to a small changes in the difference between the vertical forces applied on its two sides. So ang initial stability kay ang ability sa usa ka ship nga mo pugong or mo resist sa usa ka gamay nga tilt nga ihatag sa bowed or ang gamay nga disturbance nga ihatag sa usa ka bowed. So munang initial stability ang ability sa ship nga mo resist or mo pugong. Next is stability of a ship. The stability of a ship is its tendency to return to its original upright state when an external force is applied or removed. So ang stability of a ship is mao na siya ang ability sa ship nga mo return to its upright position or its normal position after being tilted or pushed or after siya maigo sa bowed kung pinasayon pa nga istorya. And last is factors affecting stability. The shape of the hull, the draft, and the trim all affect the stability of a ship. So, lakton nga pagka-istorya, ang shape sa hull, ang draft, o ang trim mag-influensya gyud sa kung unsa ka stable ang usa ka ship sa tubig or sa dagat.